HEX and its founder, Richard Hart, have been very controversial since its inception in 2019. I'm going to set all that aside and take a look and show you 5 reasons why I am going to invest in it in the short to medium term. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, I want to start this by saying that I think there's more downside in the markets as of August 23rd of 2022. I think there will be a lot of buying opportunities in the future. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. With that being said, now let's take a look at the 5 reasons why I am buying HEX. These are in no particular order. Number 5 is the movie that is coming out in the fall of 2022 to winter of 2022 on Netflix, The Highest of Stakes, which is a movie depicting all the successes of people who bought into HEX early. I believe this will be good for HEX in general with the price. Similar to kind of how The Last Dance, I'm not comparing them completely, but how The Last Dance did well for Bulls memorabilia, Chicago Bulls memorabilia. But if we take a look, the trailer is pretty impressive here.
This is a force that is not going to go away. The cryptocurrency is not going away. And at some point, the people that you met that you thought were crazy loon birds, they're going to be in the 1%, and they're going to be the people that own half everything.
While Solana has had to be stopped and restarted multiple times, and Terra Luna had to be stopped, halted, and eventually failed, HEX has had 100% uptime. Read here, it says HEX has operated perfectly since its launch on December 2nd, 2019. It has 100% uptime with 0 bugs, while so many others have failed. Code of the HEX smart contract has been developed by expert developers. In fact, the same devs have already fixed bugs they've discovered in Ethereum's code base. HEX's code has passed 2 independent security audits with flying colors. Number 4 is 100% uptime. Number 3 is the addition of Hedera staking and the Dicosa protocol. Dicosa is a protocol which builds upon Hedera protocol to add HDRN staking and additional incentives for staking HEX, as well as jumpstarting the Hedera borrowing system. Dicosa is built by the same team behind the Hedera protocol, ensuring seamless integration. This is just another way to earn yield in the HEX ecosystem, which I think is very bullish for HEX's future. Number 2 will be the addition of pulsechain and pulsex. Pulsechain being the actual blockchain on HEX, which would be the exact copy of Ethereum, which actually you'll get a copy of each ERC20 token you hold in your wallet on Ethereum on the pulsechain. They're calling it the largest airdrop event in history, which it will be if it does go through, when it does go through. And they also have pulsex, which is going to be similar to like Uniswap, but on pulsechain. If this happens according to plan, this will be huge, because there will be a lot of price exploration, because if you have ERC20s tokens that are transferred over to pulsechain, so you get a copy, so you'll have your token on Ethereum as well as your token on pulsechain. It's going to be incredible to see what the prices do on pulsechain. If you have a HEX token on Ethereum and then one on pulsechain, it'll be interesting to see what the different arbitrage opportunities there will be. Also, all of your HEX stakes will be copied and transferred to a pulsechain as well. So you'll have one stake on pulsechain and another stake on Ethereum. Very bullish for the HEX ecosystem. Last but not least, number 1 is going to be the HEX community. I've had a lot of questions since this project is fairly new to me. I have not researched it in the past. And I've gone on multiple social media platforms to look for different information. I had a lot of questions, and I was greeted very well, and people were very helpful in answering my questions, even though I had a lot of them. I am definitely bullish in the price of HEX for the short to medium term future, meaning the end of this year, 2022, with the documentary coming out. And also, I'm definitely going to make some stakes that end around hopefully the middle of the next bull run in the 2024 and 2025. Hit the like button if you would like me to make more HEX videos in the future showing how to stake and other yield opportunities in the HEX ecosystem. Please like the video or comment in the comments section. Also, I would like to thank everybody in the HEX community for helping me out and answering all my questions. I really appreciate it, and you'll probably see me more on those social media platforms asking more questions. Thank you and have a great day.